Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to get pet stains out of a carpet with a few home remedies. Let's get started. It's important to act immediately as soon as you discover the stain. Take several paper towels to blot up the stain. This may take you 3 or 4 times, and you may have to stand on it. A good home remedy I like to use is a 50-50 mixture of white vinegar and water. You just put it in a spray bottle, mix it up, and apply it to the stain. Spray the stain a few times with your solution and blot it. You may have to repeat this several times. Spray, blot. Remember, it's very important to use cold water, not hot water. The hot water will set the stain in. If it's a really tough stain, you can add baking soda to your stain. Add a little more vinegar and water solution. Use a soft bristle brush and work it in the stain. Let it dry overnight and vacuum in the morning. A second remedy I like to use is hydrogen peroxide for really tough stains. Half a cup of hydrogen peroxide with 2 cups of water and a couple of drops of dishwashing detergent. Same as before, you want to spray it and blot it till you feel you got the full stain out. Spray it, then you can add a little bit of baking soda, spray that, and rub it in. Let it dry overnight and vacuum it away in the morning. There you go, clean carpet. Pretty simple. For more cleaning tips like these, visit us at familyhandyman.com.